Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your wok nonstick. Begin by giving your new wok a good scrub with hot, soapy water, using a stiff brush to remove any protective factory oils. Rinse it thoroughly and dry it completely with a clean towel. Then, place the wok over a medium flame for about 5 minutes, which will ensure every drop of moisture has evaporated from the surface. This crucial first step prepares your wok for its non-stick journey. Once your wok is completely dry, place it over high heat until you see slight wisps of smoke rising from the surface. Now, pour in 2 tablespoons of a high smoke point oil, like grapeseed or avocado. Carefully swirl the oil around, coating the entire inside of the wok, including the sides, for about 30 seconds. Keep heating until the oil starts to smoke, then take it off the heat, letting it cool down slightly. This creates the essential first layer of seasoning. After the initial seasoning, let the wok cool down a bit, then wipe out any remaining excess oil with a clean paper towel. Now, repeat this heating and oiling process at least 3 to 5 more times. Each cycle involves heating until it smokes, applying a fresh 2 tablespoons of oil, swirling and heating again until that oil smokes. With each repetition, your wok will slowly build up a beautiful, dark, non-stick patina, essential for perfect stir-fries. To maintain your wok's excellent non-stick properties, always clean it right after use with hot water and a soft brush, avoiding any soap or abrasive pads. Dry it thoroughly on the stovetop over a low flame for a couple of minutes until completely dry. Before storing, wipe the entire surface with a very thin layer of cooking oil. This continuous care prevents rust and keeps your wok perfectly seasoned, ready for your next culinary adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.